In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a tubeless tyre that has a slow air leak. This may also work for a tubeless tyre that has a puncture that has been fixed but still leaking air. This tyre has had 2 punctures and prior to that has had a slow leak via the tyre not sealing properly with the rim of the wheel. You will need to buy one of these. It's an emergency tyre inflator and sealer. I picked this one up for $30 at Bunnings Warehouse, but other auto parts stores should sell it as well. The directions say to use a whole can per tyre, but considering how small these tyres are on this 4-wheeler, quad bike or ATV, I'm going to use a quarter of the can and see how that affects it. Before using the can in the tyre, if possible, pump the tyre up to about 90% of its air capacity before installing the sealer. Now it's just a matter of filling the tyre up with about a quarter of the can. Just for reference, this is the stuff that's being sprayed into it. Now that you've filled the tyres with the sealer, it's recommended to drive around immediately at about 10 to 15 kilometers an hour. Considering the vehicle we're working with and how small the quad bike is, or how small the tyres are, just roll around in first or second, not too aggressively, starting and stopping and just trying to keep the wheels spinning. Once you have ridden around for roughly 5 to 10 minutes, park the bike up, measure the tyre pressure, let it sit overnight. If any tyre pressure is lost, fill the tyre back up with air, let it sit again for a while and keep checking the tyre pressure. If tyre pressure is stable, it has worked. If tyre pressure is not stable within 6 to 7 psi of the standard tyre pressure, reapply the sealant. Thanks for watching.